went to Dollar Tree, obviously. Then I got some scrunchies, some barrettes, beads, and more beads, and Carmex. And then I paid for everything and went home. Now that I got all my VSCO stuff, I need to look like one, so let's transform into a VSCO girl. Whoa, I'm a VSCO girl, like look at me. Ooh, long t-shirt and everything. Oh my god. Now it's time for a VSCO haul.
First thing I got were these beads to make friendship bracelets, because what VSCO girl doesn't make friendship bracelets, you know? You know, they're cute or whatever. And who would have known they sell scrunchies at Dollar Tree, like in a 3-pack? Like, damn, that's good, you know? Carmex, like this surprised me. When I saw this, I was like, you know, I'm snatching it. So these elastics, and they're glow in the dark, so beat that, VSCO girls. Brunettes or barrettes, or I don't know how to say it, but they're black because, you know, black matches with everything.
Now that I look like a VSCO girl, it's time to make our bracelets. Finished with my bracelets. This is my school name because it's gonna be a spirit day and all that stuff, you already know. And then the last thing is to decorate my hydro flask with all the stickers that I got from, what's it called, companies. So let's go do that. Time to decorate. Okay, so the stickers did not want to stick onto this rubber stuff, so I just put it on just the glass. And guys, it's actually pretty damn cute, like, not gonna lie. Guys, I am pretty sure I am officially a VSCO girl.
Alright guys, thanks for watching till the end. And make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and just remember, never say you can't. Oh wait, and yes guys, I do have pants on for you guys asking. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and just remember, never say you can't, just make sure, unless you really try to say you can't. Alright, bye, love y'all. Just kidding guys, I am done with this. I am never doing this again. Oh my god, bye.